Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting by getting hardware and system access ready. First, confirm cable type and plug tightly into both devices. Faulty seating causes no signal. Once done, power on the second monitor and select the matching input on its menu so the signal can be detected. Next, open Display Settings. On Windows, use Win+P or Settings System Display to begin configuration. You'll now move from physical setup into how the OS recognizes and offers arrangement and resolution options. Now you'll align and optimize the second screen. In Display Settings, click Detect if the monitor isn't shown, then drag the numbered screens to match their physical positions so your cursor flows naturally. Make the primary screen selection if needed, and adjust scaling to keep text readable. 100% to 125% is common. Set resolution to the monitor's native value and pick a refresh rate that matches the panel for smoother motion. Once configured, test by moving windows between displays to confirm layout and sharpness. Finish by refining color, scaling, and input choices. You should enable night light or set a color profile for accuracy. Calibrate if you do color-critical work. For advanced features like GPU-driven layouts, open the NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel control panel and apply per monitor settings. If things go wrong, troubleshoot methodically. Check the cable and port, swap cables, confirm input selection on the monitor, update display drivers, and reboot. If the monitor still fails to appear, try the monitor on another computer to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.